Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Isabella and today he will prepare a jelly. With the ingredients that we'll use are jelly, water, and milk. Step 1. Boil a water in the cup. Boil. Step 2. Put the jelly in a bowl. Step 3. Wait to the water boil. Pour the water in stir.
Yo tengo que ir hasta el Westrepo.
¿Hasta dónde?
¿Una cita médica?
And stir. Wait for the mixture to cool down. Step 3. Pour the milk into the water cup and jelly and stir fast. Step 4. Pour the mixture into glasses or whatever you decide and take it to the refrigerator as the mixture takes time to be ready. We will look at tomorrow. Guys, let's try it. Oh my god, it's very delicious. Okay, my friends, I hope that you like it and see you next video. Bye.